Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to speed up Windows 11. Just in one setting you can improve performance of your Windows 11. Click on Start. Here type View, Advanced. So click on View Advanced System. Now guys, you will see this dialog box, and underneath Performance click on Settings. Now here is guys 4 options to select. Select the settings you want to use for the appearance and performance of Windows on this computer. So this time it's selected adjust for best appearance. Also you can select adjust for best performance. So once you select adjust for best performance, so you can improve your PC or laptop or computer. Just select this option, then click on apply, then click on OK. Again click on OK. Now close it and restart. So guys, in just one this setting, or in just one click you can improve your Windows 11 performance. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.